Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to study or we are going to learn the basics of Solidworks drawing. Here we will see how to create this drawing with the help of any 3D parts, and we will see how we will define the dimensions, font size, and we will see many more things here. So let's see how to do this. So this one I am going to close. Don't save. Now this is our basic model of in 3D. See, now we want to convert make a 2D drawings with the help of 3D. So there are two methods. Here either you can create new. If you will select new, it will ask you drawing parts assembly new. Here you will select drawings. Okay. Now once you open the drawings, it will ask you the size of standard sheet. There are four types of standard sheets: A1 to A4 size. Basically we are using A3 or A4 size for our drawings. So I'll choose A3 size. Okay. Now you can see this is the drawing 2D drawing sheet, and here the our base columns and our titles and everything here, our all information regarding the drawings. So this is our basic sheets. Now if you want to bring the component here, either the previous component already here, or you can see here view palette. Select here part, and you can see the preview. Just drag. Once you drag, it will ask you top view, front view, side view, and 3D isometric view. Isometric in any direction you can. Okay. Now select here. Okay. So now this is what we bring our parts into sheet. Now we will see the another method. Exit. Don't save. Now here also one more method. You can select here make drawing from part assembly. So select here. Now again it will be asked, it is going to ask you which size of sheet you like to prefer. Any sheet, basically I always try to prefer A3 size. Here you can see the size. Later we can change it also. Now see, this is the one method you can bring the drawing here. Or if you will go to here view layout, here see model view. If you will go to model view, a window will pop up, and here you can browse our parts. Select the browse, and you can browse whatever your parts are there. You can just pick and open. So already one part here available. So select this, double click on this part, and it will automatically asking you to place your part. So I'll put one here, then top view, then right view, then okay. Now select OK. So now you can see this all the parts we placed here. Now you can adjust according to your requirement. You can adjust the position of each and every part. So this is how we will insert into Solidworks 2D drawings or Solidworks drawings. Now we will see, if you select each and every drawings, a window will pop up here. Let's say this one. Now here you can define the display style. See, shaded, then shaded with edges, 2D with hidden line, frame, wireframe. We everybody almost prefer 2D with hidden line. Now if you want to give separately, you want to change this one, you can change it. Isometric view especially. See, okay, we will keep this one as a standard. Okay. Now here you can choose the quality of drawing, draft or standard. If you prefer high quality, the size of file become big. Okay, now we will see how to change the scale of. If you will see in bottom, the scale here is shows 1.2, 1 is to 2, not 1.2, 1 is to 2. So let's change the scale. Select this one face, front face, comes down, and here you will see the option scale. Use sheet scale. This is the standard scale what we are used. Custom scale. If you'll go to custom, here you can change the sheet size. Let's say 1.5, 1 is to 5, it's too small. 1 is to 1, it's also too big. Here one more option, user defined route. Let's make 1.15. That's it. Now let's check. Still the dimension scale here showing 1 is to 2. So here one more method. Just right click on this sheet, and you will find one option here, properties. Go to properties, and you can change it from here. Here you can see you can change the name, drawing, and change the size 1.5. 1 is to 1.5. Here you can change types of projection also. Okay, now let's see. Now see here our scale is changed, 1 is to 1.5. And if suppose if you want to change the size of or a scale of sheet also, the same way you can right click on the sheet, go to here properties, and here from here you can change it. Select A4 size, now see, if we change A4 size, the our drawings become out of the sheets, because the size is smaller than our drawing. So again right click, and we will change it, properties, A3 size. Okay, that's it. Now we change this, you can see it here. Now this is perfect for our geometry. Now let's, if you want to separately change this one also, only isometric view, just go to custom scale, user defined, 1 is to 2. See, it's going too small. 1 is to 1, it's going too big. But for our drawing size, we prefer to use 1 is to 1.5. Okay, now the next thing we will see here, dimensioning. How we will give the dimension to this. So just go to annotation, and here you will find one of the most important factor, smart dimension. Click on smart dimension. Here are two types of dimensions, smart dimensioning and dimensions expert. So first we will see dimension expert, then go for smart dimensioning. Select smart dimension. Now once you select the smart dimension, you have to select any one view. So let's say this view. After selecting this view, here it is asking datum by vertex whole center. You have to select one center point, one point from where as a reference point, then all the dimensions you will get according to that reference point. So select here this point. Okay, now let's choose this circle. See, vertical and horizontal dimension you will get automatically because we selected this. Select this point. Here they have radius, and let's choose inside. See, throughout hole. And many things, zero type, this one no need. So this is a kind of way to select the whole dimensions. select OK. Now let's select this one, and we will see here smart annotation, smart dimension. Now we will see smart dimension. Smart dimension means you can directly select any line, circle, and it will be come. See, the dimensions will come automatically. Select two lines and it will show the mid distance. So this is the way you can choose is by smart dimensioning. Okay. Okay. Now this dimensions we created, but if you want to write something again with this dimension, you just select this dimension, a window will pop up. Here you can select anything about this dimension. Maybe it is important dimension, so you can write important. Here you can write text like or inches, anything. Either you can write before inches. This is before and okay. Now if we want to change the font of whole dimensions, so just select all dimensions. Now it will shift it to dimension window, a dimension window pop up. Select others. Here uncheck this document font, select font. Now here the font window pop up. Now here you can choose multiple number of dimensions. You can select anything, and the style, let's say bold, and here units you can make it 6 millimeter. Okay. Now see all dimensions, you can see it here. Now dimensions you can adjust according to your requirement. So this is what we see here, how to create, how to give the dimension to any parts. And here there are some more methods like vertical ordinate dimension, horizontal ordinate dimension. What exactly this one? Select vertical dimension. Now select this point. Now this, okay. Now this point considered as a 0. Now select the second vertical point. Okay. Now see third vertical point. Now you can see fourth vertical point, fifth vertical point. Now you can see. So this is our reference point, and if you will come below in vertical position, it will show you this dimension. The same way you can do it by horizontal way. If you will choose here horizontal, select here OK. Now choose horizontal, vertical, or now we have to define one geometry. Okay, let's try this one. Let's say this one 0. Now select second point. I think still it's vertical. Okay. This point 0. Select this point 9. See 15.5 millimeter. You can see it here, and this is the last one. Okay. You can drag the we will see temporary. Now see how we will get the dimension. So this is also one of the way of getting the dimension in SolidWorks drawing. Okay, so let's see other aspects. Now here we delete all the dimensions. Now again we will use one more method. If you will go to annotation, here you will find model items. Select model items and here select entire model. If you will select here import items into all view, that means it will give dimension to all the models. Select here. Okay. Now see. Dimensions are too small, so select all the dimensions. Go to other, uncheck font, and here make it 5 millimeter. Keep bold. Okay. Now you can adjust the dimensions. See, we got the dimensions for all edges and everything. Only you have to adjust the position of these dimensions. Anyhow, it's up to you how you want. So this is also one of the method how you will get the dimension of all entire model. Select here. Okay. Now we will do one thing. We will study about template blocks, title blocks. How we will change this title block. So right click, edit sheet format. Now once you click edit sheet format, it becomes your title block becomes blue, and select any text. Now here you can this is actually scale. You can write any number, A12.23, that's all. This is your drawing number. You can change it by A4 size. Actually it is A3, but it's up to you. Everything you can change it up. If suppose you want to write something here, select text, select this box. Now double click, drag it. Now here you can write basic model, select bold, and here you can select the size. Here you can select any font. Here you can select center. Okay. I think we should select this way. Okay, this is the way better. Okay, select here. Okay, just make undo. Okay, now here you can write down the finish date. So select note and write down here date, finish date, anything 12/5/2017. Let's choose bold, or here you can select the color. Let's say red color. Okay. Okay. See. So in that way you can edit your title block. You can add everything here according to your requirement. Just select here sheet metal. Now see, it's edited. We came out. So this is our drawing. Now here, if you will see here, auxiliary view, section view, crop view. Let's see what is auxiliary view. Let's select any one faces. Now see, it will show you the bottom view. There is no place in bottom, so I'll put here. See, it's going to show you the bottom face of this part. Here you can bottom, you can change the letter at any time. Bottom view. Okay. Now if we want to see any closer look or any small portion of this drawing, so we will do one thing. Center rectangle, and I'll draw one drawing. Okay. Now select, go to view layout, crop view. Now see, the outside deleted and only we are going to see the particular selected view. So this is called crop view. Now we will see what exactly the section view. Select section view. Here are the 3 or 4 types of cutting. One point horizontal, vertical, and here 2 point auxiliary. So let's choose 1 point horizontal. Once you select 1 point horizontal, you can see the preview. You have to select 1 point. Okay. Here select OK. Now see, you can just simply drag it. Now here you can see the preview. Here also you can change this, see, 2D or anything. Let's see 2D with a hidden line feature. So this is the one thing. If you want to change this dimension, you can select side view or anything. You can give section. Section A or B, anything is up to you. Okay. So now this is the one of the section. Now we will do one thing, we will just delete it. Yes. Now we will try another method, section view, and we will try this one, auxiliary. If you will choose auxiliary, it will ask you a tapered face. You have to select 2 point, 1, 2. Okay. Now drag down. Okay. So now this is your auxiliary view. We just cut it from the mid between two particular points, and you will get this drawing. So this is called the section view. You can make section for any drawings or for anything. Now delete this view. Yes. Delete this view also. Yes. Now we will see if we want to show any detailed view of any small thing. So there is one method, detail view. Select detail view, draft, go to sketch, select circle, and we have to choose anything. Let's select this one, just drag it there. See, from here you can change the dimensions according to your requirement. It's going bigger. That's it, 2 by 2. So this is your detailed view. If you want to see any particular place, any complicated things in a circular way, so this is the way you can show it by detailed view. Okay, now we will see what is broken out break view. Select here break, and let's say this part. If we are using this command, if any part is too long and not able to adjust in our drawing, and if we want to cut some mid portion, so this is the way, horizontal and vertical break line. So let's choose horizontal. Now see, if gap 10 milli is up to you, whatever, and here are the options. Straight cut, see, it's going to straight cut, zigzag, and curve. Okay, this is the widely used small zigzag. Let's try curve. Let's choose this way and this way. Now see, the mid portion is cut. We cut the mid portion with the help of this break view setting. Okay, so this is also one of the way to show any drawing, to reduce the size and length of the drawing. Now let's see about BOM and balloon. Now just delete this view. Yes, now we will see what is balloons, and let's adjust. Go to annotation. Here you will find we will see bill of material and balloons. So select one part. Actually this is the we have only one part. If it will be multiple number of part, it will help more. Select bill of material, select OK. Now see, you can drag this window. So this is your part. If we will select here, you can edit the position, then size of letter, then here you can change the font, size of letter, then position of letter, and many things we can adjust it from here. Okay, so this is the our bill of material for one part. If we had multiple number, you can see it here one by one, serial by serial. You can adjust. See, okay, so this is the bill of material, how you will get the bill of material. Now here one more option, balloon. If you will select the balloon, click on the part. Okay, now here it will show you item number 1, because we have only one item. If there is more than item, you can select and it will show you balloons. Okay, if you will select this part, auto balloons, so automatically it will come up, because there is no number of parts, so it is not coming. But if there is a multiple number of part, you will just select auto balloons. After creating BOM, it will automatically came. I hope you like this tutorial. This is the introduction of SolidWorks drawing. Many viewers asking about it, so I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video. Thanks for watching.